Hey guys, welcome once again to Real Life Guyana. Real Life Somali here, bringing you another classic recipe. Today we're going to be making barley soup. For that, here we have our ingredients. We have the chicken up there. We're going to be using some arrows, some callaloo. You can use whatever kind you like. We're going to be using some onions, pepper, celery, carrot, scallions. And the barley there, we have soaked. You have to soak that for about an hour before you're ready for it. And we are using a pack of soup here. You can use chicken soup. You're using the Soup It Up packet here. And that's about it. So let's get started, guys. Okay guys, so this packet soup here, we use this to give some more flavor to our barley soup. As we sometimes use the chicken noodle soup. Today we are using the Soup It Up here, but you don't have to use this if you don't want to. Okay, so we're gonna put our water to heat up here. So first thing we're gonna do here, guys, is wash our barley here. So we're gonna chop our seasonings now while our water is getting up to temperature there. So you don't want to slice these too thick. As you know, carrot is very hard, so it's going to take a little while to boil. That's our callaloo bhaji. So we're going to add our barley here now, guys. Our water is boiling there, as you can see. So she's gonna add some salt to taste here now. So Molly is now cutting up the chicken here, guys. We're gonna be using this bone in here since it's a soup, right? So in our tiny karahi here, guys, we've added a bit of oil to heat up there. So we're gonna prepare the chicken here. And salt. Black pepper. Okay guys, so after our barley has been boiling for about 10 minutes, about 8-10 minutes, we're gonna now add our potatoes here. So that's the carrot and the seasonings. We haven't added the callaloo as yet. Okay guys, so our chicken is almost done frying here. So that's done there. So you're gonna add that to your soup now. So that's the callaloo. So once you've added your chicken here guys, you gotta give this about another 10 minutes or so. 10 to 15 minutes. And after you've added your chicken, you can now add your chicken noodle there. Okay guys, so once you've added everything and you're waiting for it to boil now, the last thing you're going to check to see is if your edo is boiled. And it is, so our soup is basically done here now. Because your chicken was pre-cooked and everything else is boiled here. So that's it, that's our barley soup here. Okay guys, so that's it for our barley soup. It's now ready. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Please click the notification bell also for instant notifications. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.